Oh, boo.
Oh fuck.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
I'm trying to kill the shark.
Oh, there's air
Oh
here.
my god.
I found air. Oh my god.
I'm drowning. I have no food.
As,
Please record that.
as I said, I found
I'm
air.
dead.
I needed to cough, and it's like I literally, as I came to the surface,
Oh,
like it was
fucking
like,
hell.
oh my god. Oh, I
my
got
god,
an
air.
extra.
There's a statue down, a treasure chest down there that I left by a statue,
Oh, there's-
Captain something.
Wait, there's gold. I found gold in this chest. I found a
There is a
foul
shark.
coral skull, a golden coral reliquary, whatever the fuck that is, and a disgraced coral
Reliquary.
skull. You're a reliquary.
I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna try and go back up now. But I found an air pocket. That's what I thought there would be.
Are you recording all of this?
Yeah, I'm saving clips like
Coming back.
very regularly.
But,
Fuck, I'm stuck. Okay.
but there was a chest down there.